Hi everybody, Jillian here for Illustrated Faith, and today I have a brand new Bible journaling process video for you. I've got the Wet Paint Alpha from Becca Bonneville that is new in the Print and Pray shop today. I have some fun plans for this as I work through the second part of Camp Wonder. I'm in my interleaved journaling Bible, which I love because that means that I have a blank page in between every page of text in my Bible. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've had the idea for this page sketched out for a while, and when I saw Becca's new alpha set, I was like, this is the perfect thing to finally make this page. So I want to basically stick this whole sheet down on this blank page in my interleaved journaling Bible. And so I'm cutting it apart a little bit to make sure that I can fit each one of the letters onto my page without, the entirety of a few letters hanging off the page. And I want to get a little better spacing than if I just were to peel the backing off of the sticker paper and then stick the whole thing down. I'm going to speed this part up because while it does seem tedious, this whole page took me only about 22 minutes to make. So it's a great quick page as we're working through Camp Wonder. So now that each of the letters are cut out, sort of, and things are placed where I want them, I'm going to go ahead and start sticking them down. I'm journaling here in Proverbs chapter 27, verse 17, iron sharpens iron and one man sharpens another. So in her devotional from part 2 of Camp Wonder, Becca shares this wisdom as she's sharing her experience with friendships. But first, one thing about these alphas, you'll notice that some I'm starting closer to the spine of my Bible, and then others I'm letting hang off of the top and off of the edge, and that's just because I want to entirely cover this page with letters. But you'll notice that once I get to the bottom, I only have the Y and Z hanging out down there. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you how I fill in this space. As I was working on this, I had to remember this is just the base layer. I'm going to build on top of this, so this is not necessarily going to be the focal point of my page, but rather just a cool different background. So now that that's down, I'll go ahead and work on my next few layers. The idea for this page, having the background of letters and then picking one to stand out and function as part of my title. And so I love these little flashcards from part 2 of Camp Wonder, and I wanted to feature the letter I, because this word inspire starts with an I. And so I'm using bits from the devotional kit here, some florals from kit 1, the flashcard, these little die cuts, the washi tape, just kind of mixing and matching with the items that are available in the Print and Pray shop. Before I stuck anything down, I looked to my tray here. I love keeping all of my supplies in a tray. It's just super convenient and keeps me focused instead of looking for other supplies. Anyway, I pulled out Brave Little Tailor's Faith on Fire Print and Pray set, and I loved this label that she included. It says, "May the fire of my love light the way for others." And I just thought that was so perfect for this verse and this idea of inspiration and sharpening one another and what Becca shares in her devotional here. And then I grabbed these little fun divided diamonds from the ephemera pack from kit 1, and I put those over a few places just to move your eye around the page. And then I'm going to go ahead and color the letter I in, since that's my focal letter. I'm using some big brush pens. The one that I used to color was number 161, and then the yellow color is number 184, the pink one is 131, and then the more green color is 162. So just in case you have those in your stash, it's a pretty good match for Camp Wonder. To fill in this space on the bottom, I grabbed both washi tapes from both Camp Wonder devotional kits and layered those on the bottom to cover up that blank space. And then I love this like mint colored grid washi, so I put that underneath my little label cluster there towards the top. And then for the bottom, I'm using the pink alpha stickers that came in the first kit and I'm forgetting what year it is here, to note that this is Camp Wonder 2021, and then I'll add a date stamp above that. I've still got a little bit of room to the left of that letter Y, so I'll add these divided diamonds and round out the page. To finish things off, I'll add a date stamp, underline my verse, and add one little bit of washi. If you haven't yet, there's still plenty of time to join us for Camp Wonder. While the first devotional kit is currently sold out, the digital devotional is available. I love how vulnerable and funny and practical each one of these gals has been in sharing what they've learned about friendships, their experiences. It is so worth checking out the Camp Wonder devotionals. I've linked those and the supplies that I used for this page down in the video description below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.